The next item on the file menu is the add shortcut to drive. What does this do? I'll show you. If you click add shortcut to drive, you can put it in my drive or you can put it in one of the folders, but it's basically going to keep it at the forefront so you can get to it quickly. Now, if you come back to Google Drive, you should see a shortcut right up here to that file so I can get to it easy. That is how you create a shortcut to a file in Google Drive, and that is what that feature under File, Create a Shortcut does. Okay, you'll notice it changed to add another shortcut to Drive because I've already got a shortcut to Drive.